Enemy UAV overhead.
That took one burst.
Hey, who set that up?
Wait, why did we shoot it?
We were told to.
Oh, okay.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't mean for you to catch that one. Far back right.
Yeah. Contact. That's good. That's good.
Is that good?
I stabbed the gun. Let's go.
All right, how we doing on ammo?
Pretty bad.
Yeah. Thank you.
Good as shit.
Stop! Get over
I'm
here.
trying to.
Friendship. What are we doing here?
Slow dancing.
I don't know how to slow dance.
I'm gonna do a quick twirl.
You gonna twirl me?
Yeah.
Oh shit, that hurt.
Oh, you hit me in the fucking ankle.
Nightmare dance sesh.
Riley took.
You wanna pet my dog?
Yeah, sure, I'll pet your dog. Oh man, I didn't know your dog was like that, bro.
He's a little bit sensitive at first.
Bro, he definitely bites. He definitely
He's gotta
bites.
smell you. He's gotta smell you.
bite.
Just put your hand out. He won't bite.
Back plate.
He won't bite.
Your dog that bites. Your dog that bites.
See, look, I can pet him no problem. He's so friendly.
I guess. Ah.
One?
One
Oh yeah.
Winner picks attack or defend on compound. Who goes first? You want to shoot a show or show yourself? Sorry. There you go.
Aim for the chest.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
He wins so far. This one's gonna do it, right? There you go.
Let's go.
All right. Attack or defend?
Attack.
What are we attacking?
Yeah, we attack. We attack.
No.
Attack first.
Defend. Armbands will start inside of compound.
You chose the wrong one.
Why?
You attack first, always.
Hell no.
Listen.
I got a drum match.
That's perfect. Where are they shooting you from?
He's like, you can barely see him in the forest.
I see. Got him. Good, we're good. What'd you say? Michael, I'm on your angle now. Where's that bang at?
I'm hit.
Move. Somebody hold inside stairs.
I'm doing Brad back down. I'm trying to I threw it back down.
Is somebody holding inside stairs?
Yeah. I saw him. Where was that? Am I dead? Alright. I couldn't see it. I saw the bang.
Somebody else hold inside stairs, quick!
I'm dead.
Ten seconds, boys, hold! Your bag's getting hit. Your bag's hit.
Oh shit, it's slippery here.
Yeah. I fucking.
Oh, that shit good.
Yeah, those nades really fucked us over. You guys had 10 more seconds. You guys would have been fine.
I survived.
Hey, take a maximum of 3 to 4 in that group. The rest of you guys push forward with me.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna wipe out.
Yeah. Cause I'm too fucking tired to get in bed, so I'm lying on the floor. There's 30,000 people around.
Pushing your way, I see on this.
What?
You don't even love me.
No, it's a part of the song. It's
This
part of
is
the
why I
song.
cheat on you.
Yeah, you put.
This is why I cheat on you. Domestic abuse starts. I will follow you guys.
Hey! Fully down. We got fully down here. Down here. I'm trying. Get on that dangle. One right around that corner on that door. Do you have any friendlies out there?
Let's scream grenade. Scream grenade. Laser. Two of them. Hit. Dead bank.
Teammate, get up, get up! Go, go, go! Left side. Clear? We're clear! Let's get! Good fucking shit. You're recording now.
Can you put? Hey,
hey,
can one
babe.
of you guys put this in like my backpack?
Oh,
I just put it in my.
I finally went full HPA.
Oh my god, look. Dude, Snake, it looks just like yours.
Holy crap.
Guys, go check out Snake's videos. You'll see it's like the same gun.
He's not tall enough. Yeah.
That's kind of humorous.
Yeah. Go back. Go back.
Hey, hey, tripwire.
Good shot. That is a well worth try.
How the fuck do we want to disarm this? Do we kick it?
No. Which side is it on? Which side is it on?
This side.
Outside. You can't go outside. I'm holding your company for you. What do we got? Come on in. Defenders, go back inside the building.
Hey. All right, yeah, go for it. Hold on, I got a lock on one.
Do we have a nade?
It's disarmed.
We're disarmed.
I got your foot. In the room! In the room!
Hey, he's right.
No, he's dead. I'm on your left. Get in, push in. Fuck it, you need to do it yourself. Hit.
Go.
Hit.
Mason! I think there's one in that room right there. Michael, is my tap?
You're right.
Shannon's on the left. And pull the door.
You're dead. Don't come back here. Go forward.
Good shot.
Go! Get in! Run for it, Max! Run!
That was so fucking close to getting him.
Somebody record his execution.
Bro, why are you playing with Santa's balls like that? Bro, I caught you, dog. You're coming with me now.
Oh no.
Into the ditch. Get in the hole.
What did he say?
I don't know, but you're coming with me.
What? So where
Oh, that's the jug. He got bored. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare tag me. Don't you dare tag me. Don't you dare.
I just want to touch it.
Don't you dare. You're not touching it. You're not touching it. You're not touching it. Ah!
Use it. Tag him.
No.
Tag me, tag me.
Fuck.
Why were you just, why you accepted it?
Oh, my ass. All right, let's go. Tag, you're right. No tag, Max. Oh, fuck. Tag me and I shoot you.
Well, that's one way to deter it.
I shoot you with my sniper.
Don't.
Tag me, tag me, tag Max.
What? Tag no tag.
Choking J. Cole? There we go. That's more better. That's more better. That's more better.
I'm not sorry, I'm losing the air supply.
My brain's kind of full.
I'm not getting choked anymore. Here, I got you, dog.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Are we all just
Come here, J. Cole.
Yeah, someone needs to choke Snake. Someone needs to. Oh, he got it. He got it.
Snake, I
Whose
guess.
hand is on,
Choking each other.
whose hand is on my neck?
I'm choking my chicken.
Riley.
Who's gonna choke Riley?
Hey, someone's gonna choke Riley.
Guys, I'm masturbating.
We're just all gonna drop it
right
once.
now.
Ew.
And someone drops a nade.
Alright, should we all synchronize?
Yeah, all we see is just a nade come in the middle of us.
Guys, loses. Don't freak out, but the pin fell out of my grenade. Hey, let me put it back in for you.
Oh, hey, okay, everyone just drop on 3. 1,
I don't want to break my
2, 3.
I'm out of here.
When I drop, it's kind of stacked.
Mason.
Oh, you don't know what's going on. Mason, you don't know what's going on. Come at me, I dare you.
No hand. No hand for you. No hand.
Wait, I have a ball?
I play more hall, bitch. No hand. No hand. No hand proof. Oh my god. Alright. No hand. No hand. I cut your hand off.
Imagine.
You're dead. You're dead. You're dead.
No, I have a plate on, bro.
I have a plate on.
No arm.
That's a blunt though.
No arm.
You hit me with blade side. I'm good.
No arm, motherfucker.
No, you hit me with the blunt side.
Disarm.
On guard. You're dead. You're dead. I hit you in the chest, dog.
Plate.
Oh,
Shot.
you're cheating. You didn't call your hit. Take lead with that light. Let me know when outside's making a Gun hit! You shot the shield! Get him!
Coming down. Yeah.
Hold it right there. There's no way you guys did that! No!
Oh, God, I want kids.
Oh my god.
Oh, it smells so bad.
Really? Get up and go in the shower.
Let's go, Airsoft! Let's
enough. Come on, let's go.
He deserves like $10, not just one.
Oh, that is nasty.
I don't know.
Why?
Where are the people at? All of them?
I gotta go, Chief.
Oh, they're both jugs. They're splitting on you, dog. Why is he running? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, this is not fun! I see that! We wiped the enemy team! Oh, Slayer so saw me.
A few moments later.
Last game, armband wins.
What? I was running out of stamina, okay? I had to chill for a
I
second.
wasn't a bitch and I let them take me. I let them fucking take me. I wasn't a fucking bitch.
No motherfucker takes my life without my permission.
Video footage is nothing but his camera trembling.
It's no fucking darkness.
It's literally just his POV of Dead by Daylight.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Naloma here. Just wanted to do a quick little outro. Thank you for watching this far. If you did, I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. A lot more videos coming out as per usual. This Christmas session was a lot of fun. Thank you everyone who came out. I host these open plays on my Discord. If you're in the area and want to join any events or open plays we go to, definitely worth checking out the Discord to see all that. And we just do a lot of cool airsoft stuff there in general. Be sure to check out my social medias. I post on Twitter whenever videos drop and whatever I feel like posting, and then my Instagram has some pretty drippy photos. So yeah, I think that's all I really wanted to say. I feel like my outros don't really have too much to talk about anymore, but no, that's okay because I don't like doing outros at all. But other than that, I hope you guys have a good day, night, whatever time it is for you, and yeah, peace out.
Jason, turn on your GoPro.
Yeah,
Let them feel funny.
it's on.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, okay.
Heads, buddy.
It doesn't hurt.
I don't trust
It's
you.
literally spring loaded. It's not gonna hurt.
Pussy.
Move your hands.
Oh wow, it's literally just like that.
Yeah, you just got cummed on.
I love using this thing. Best build ever.
Warzone meta.
Warzone meta. I mean, that was a meta with